and I did my first surgery in 2010 with 2,300 grafts for dense packing and redrawing my hairline. And then I did another surgery for dense packing and lowering my hairline in order to get more density and more natural aspects. And why I chose HLC was because I found very professional the results and natural. They are making all kind of surgeries by themselves, only manual extraction in implantation, and without any nurses making any work except it's because first I am thinking really about the result and quality, and I think the lowest price is not very good. I decided to go to HLC here because I wanted to get a best result, because my reserve, I really care about it and not about the money. It's very because repairing is very difficult, and I really want to take care about my graft and my reserve, and that's
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody